friends, my name is ViKrish. I am studying Robotics class in Playto. In the robotics class, I am going to do a project. The project name is Automatic Water Dispenser. The project we need IR sensor, 2 9-volt batteries, power module, pulse delay, sensor base and motor module and 4 wires. This is having a pump. Okay, let's start. First, I take a power module. I take the battery and connected to this. I take a wire and connected to IR sensor. Input. One. I take IR sensor and connected to sensor base. In sensor base is having a bit. This label is sensor base. Connected to this. And again I taken a battery and a power module. I connected to this. Okay. In this, it's having two input, speed in and direction in. In this, you have to connect it. Speed in, I connected to motor 2. That's all. And again I take care of wires, connector pump, connector to, I take speed to pulse delay, output, take care of wire. Okay, that's all. In pulse delay, it's have timing. I set the time into 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds is over. And I keep this switch. It work for 3 seconds. That's all. Again I put for 5 seconds. Okay, that's all. Thank you.